How electric motors work. Let's explore. Electric motors are devices that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. This is achieved through the interaction between magnetic fields and electric currents. The components is stator, the stationary part of the motor; rotor, the rotating part of the motor; magnetic field, produced by magnets or electromagnets within the motor; principle. When an electric current flows through a conductor within a magnetic field, it experiences a force. This force causes the conductor to move. In an electric motor, this force is applied to the rotor, causing it to rotate. Working. Current flow. An electric current is supplied to the motor. Magnetic field interaction. The current creates a magnetic field around the rotor. This field interacts with the magnetic field produced by the stator. Torque. The interaction of the magnetic fields produces a torque rotational force on the rotor. Rotation. This torque causes the rotor to spin.